is always what you want to do at 7 a.m. in the morning when you stayed up till 2 trying to leave.
Yeah, researching rebuild places.
Rebuild places. Okay.
After a few days in Norfolk, waiting for a good weather window, we decided last minute to cave to our friend's idea and head north to Annapolis. With northerlies predicted all week, sailing to New York was off the table anyway, so we quickly picked up the hook and set off on a spontaneous overnight sail up the Chesapeake to kill some time and trade military ships for good times with friends. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
Just in time for the Blue Angels. Practicing today. We are anchored. Did not plan for this. A lot of boats. But this is a lot of fun. Millie's practicing wearing her hat. Ready to watch the airplane?
The day after we arrived in Annapolis, we scored front row seats to an epic Blue Angels air show right over the water.
I know. The one.
Oh, well, at least front and center. With a drink in hand and a few good friends by our side, we watched as boats packed in around us, squeezing in a little too close for comfort. But when the show started, it was absolutely mind-blowing and totally worth it all.
Yeah, we'll find you.
Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy.
As we set off from Annapolis and headed into the C&D Canal, we made a fun pit stop in Chesapeake City.
A grandpa shark. a grandpa's shop.
In this cozy little bay, just a quick hop into the canal, we met up with some Canadian cruising buddies and checked out the playground.
Grandma's shark. Grandma's shark.
Little did we know about the troubles lying ahead.
Let's go play. Let's go play. Let's go play. What?
Our way up from the Bahamas, we have finally made it through the C&D Canal. We are down the Delaware Bay right now, heading for Cape May and hoping to find like at least a 24-hour southerly window to go to New York.
Millie breeze off the table. Why can't I stand on the table while we go underway?
Her new word recently is why, and it comes a lot. Anyway, so yeah, we're heading for Cape May, trying to find a window to at least get to New York Harbor, and it's
this guy's
proving
actually sailing
to be impossible.
4.8 knots.
Yeah.
I would rather do double of that speed almost.
We're following current right now, doing about 8 knots under engine because our starter is failing for some reason, so we're gonna look into that. We don't want to shut it off because then we can't start it again, basically. Or we
Not
can't.
until we get to Cape May and so I can look at it.
Anyway,
I don't want to get
that's
stuck
status.
with a northerly coming in 3 or 4 days.
Well, there's northerly coming every day.
Well, there's northerly today, yeah, but there was. I don't
No.
want to get stuck with a 30-knot northerly in Lowe's.
No.
Or wherever it is.
Yeah, everyone's having a real hard time going north this May of 2023.
I wish you could see behind us. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
We are being
5,
chased
6, 7, 8,
currently.
9, 10 sailboats.
It's a lot of boats coming down here now because I feel like a lot of people have done the same thing as we did. So
3 in front of us and a 12 behind us that we can see.
anyway, we are making it hopefully to New York in the next week. Yeah, trying to sail as much as possible from Cape May. See if we can make it. Oh, it would be so nice to be able to sail around Montauk, but don't know if that's gonna happen.
Millie, what's going on?
Huh?
What's going on?
The fish is heaven.
Daddy's fixing something?
Yeah.
It's sad.
The fine boat.
Yeah.
Mom, look, Daddy. Daddy on the ground. Where's Daddy? Okay.
You think the
on
motor's
ground.
sad?
Okay.
Oh, no good. Why would it be sad?
Look deeper there.
You think that's why it's sad?
Look at
I think because the starter motor over here is locked up. It locked up 2 days ago.
Here.
Remember that when we went to go start and it didn't start just
Yeah,
2
what
days ago?
is it?
I don't know.
This is sad.
Now the real question is why did it lock up? It's only a year old.
Yeah.
Huh?
Are you
Well,
a screwdriver?
yeah, I got a screwdriver, but I'm trying to figure out how to get this starter motor to unlock.
Yeah.
Remember yesterday I got it to work one time and now it's not starting anymore.
Look,
And you
this
know what
one.
time it is? It is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Mommy's
What
house.
are you doing up at 1 o'clock in the morning? We just need one more day to make it to New York. This is what we're dealing with. Yeah, I'm trying with the screwdriver. It's
No.
more of a hammer right now.
Engine sad?
Oh, try again. One more.
Can you say, engine, start work?
That's it. Start working.
Your energy, honey. Amp it up, amp it up.
This is always what you want to do at 7 a.m. in the morning. When you stayed up till 2 trying to leave.
Yeah, researching rebuild places.
Having had a short weather window before the next northerly was about to hit, we had hoped to leave Cape May and make it to New York Harbor, though our engine had other plans.
Let's go see if...
Instead of getting it rebuilt, we got a new starter shipped to the marina in Cape May the next day.
Moment of truth. Engine started!
Really loose belt. That's easy.
I need to change that too while we're at it. Yeah, we're all pretty happy about this. Oh my god, that's so good in the midst of a storm.
That's why it was so crucial to get this starter going. Well, there's nothing you can do if you don't have a motor. You start dragging it. You could let out more chain. Or you could... You don't even know what we would do if we started dragging, honey. Let out more chain or we could... Alright, yeah, that's...
We managed to get ready in time to catch the next weather window, which turned out to be even better.
Where are we gonna go to? Where are we gonna go? New York?
Yeah, we are going to New York today, finally, from Cape May to Sag Harbor, and we have been waiting for parts and weather for a long time.
3
so
weeks to get 300 miles.
We're just prepping to get ready and to have a 1.5 day sail. So that's the upside, I guess, to doing a lot of small hops, is that each leg isn't very long. At 8 a.m. right now, we're gonna do like a slow morning to catch the right tide around Montauk. Just got the dinghy on deck, the outboard on the rail, which is always like, that has been my workout lately. And yeah, done some dishes, cleaning up, getting everything stowed away for sailing. Hopefully we can sail. So, fair wind to us.
We will be sailing.
It's one of these, like, haven't cooked anything. All I did is clean up the boat and get it ready. It's not very far, and I don't think much of it this time. Friends out there says it's beautiful conditions right now.
So then pick up the anchor. I have no coffee either.
You have coffee right here. What's with the attitude?
I didn't have it in my hand. You woke me up early.
My captain needs a little bit of a straightening out.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave.
over here, this shelter island over here, and you can't even see it. Just this like smoke laying over everywhere. Baby shark, baby shark.